this is the crew and the actors.
Hi! So today we just filmed 2 feature mini films. Whoa!
What did you just say before?
You could use the clapper as like the gunshot. And then go.
Let's have fun!
Let's do it!
Alright, so
I'm not picking the devil at all on my camera, by the way, if that's alright.
I'm
Yeah, no, that's fine.
How's that camera doing?
That's doing
That's actually really
well.
good.
Is that good?
I didn't think it would do well because we didn't position it, but it actually does well.
Yeah, I don't think we positioned it.
No, we didn't even touch it.
I was like, wait, we were halfway through the shoot and I was like, this is not going to pick up anything.
No, but it worked really
And
well.
I was
actually.
watching it and I was like, it actually picked up.
Which one is it? 2?
Yeah, so that one.
It was good when you were like whispering, that was like a good level, I think, so, and your other lines are also good, so that's kind of there.
And be like stern when you're talking too, like
Right.
be confident, like they don't have to say anything, just get your like line out there. Like.
Okay, quiet on set, sound,
Speed.
cameras,
Rolling.
Clapper.
Papa.
Mary's death. Scene 1. Take 1.
Warning, you're surrounded. Surrender now.
Ah, right on cue. They really do hate you, don't they?
Can I make a suggestion on that?
Yeah.
Because you're trying to put high status in there, yeah, and the fact that Ziva is actually smaller than everybody else.
Get on a block.
That's why I talk. That's why.
Should we put her on a block?
I reckon you should put her on a block as this overarching person. You know.
Yeah.
I'm on the ground because I can't get up, so she has status until he comes in.
True, yeah. Have you? Mary's dead. The city despises you, yet you're still here playing the hero.
You can destroy people like that. So make sure you show your status.
When you're doing the flashlight,
Just keep the internal engine running, although you've only got to take 1 or 2 steps.
What is she talking about?
I can't believe it's only your third day.
Yeah.
The stuff you're doing.
It feels like a team already.
Yeah.
The explanation that you were giving like us and our like how we would treat other people and then like our reaction to the people, and I got how you were explaining it to me.
Yeah, that's good.
I think this has been really cool. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know, it's only been 3 days and we're already going to karaoke. No, I think that's a goal.
And follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
At APAC Studios!
Yeah.
Website!
Yeah.
APAC at something.com.au!
Just like to blow in occasionally. You're doing one of those top tick things, eh?